Good morning, I'm meteorologist Kevin Jeans. We have a cold start to the day, and we're going to likely see some snow flurries or light snow showers through the morning, at least through the morning drive. So be careful. There may be some slick roads. I don't think we're going to get really accumulating snow, but if there's just a quick burst, we do have temperatures below freezing. So there could be maybe just a quick, thin little glazing of some snow on the roads this morning, so just be careful, use caution, and then otherwise the rest of today is going to be dry as we get to lunch hour through the afternoon. Partly sunny skies and still chilly. I mean, it's a cold day in April. 42 degrees the high. Winds are going to still be out of the west, northwest, about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Could be gusting 25 to 30 miles per hour. So a windy, cold one again today as our storm system that brought the real nasty weather this weekend continues to pull away to the east. Meanwhile, then we turn our attention to our west, and that's where our next storm system's coming from. This one is much weaker, and it should be quick moving. So a low pressure scoots by just to our south. Could start as rain Wednesday evening, as early as 4, 5, or 6 p.m., and then overnight the rain gradually changes over to snow as the low scoots by to the south of us and then continues to move east. So it's a quick mover, and we'll just get a fast round of some rain showers Wednesday evening and into Wednesday night, and then a change over to snow showers into Thursday morning. Could be an inch or less, it looks like at this point, as that exits quickly Thursday morning. And then by Thursday afternoon, we're still warming up to the upper 40s or so. So I think the temperatures Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon are staying above freezing, but we could get some snow showers, so it's just tricky for us to get any real accumulations from that. But point being, just another round of colder air that will be on the way. So by Wednesday late, be ready for more rain by the evening hours and really the evening drive. And then some snow showers mixed in with the rain Wednesday night and through Thursday morning. And then it looks dry the rest of the week. I mean, this weekend's not bad. 55 Saturday and partly sunny, and we should stay partly sunny Sunday as well. Temperatures closer to 60 degrees. We're in the upper 50s. But keep in mind, the average highs for the rest of April are in the 60s. So anything that starts with a 5 is still technically below average. So the rest of this week, below average temperatures. But I think it's still going to feel pretty nice this weekend in the mid to upper 50s.